Welcome to 44 episode of the Ark podcast. We have an amazing lineup of guest speakers to talk about crypto and gold.
Australia's obsession with real estate will be the death of the middle class. If you want to become wealthier than those who make the rules, then you're above the rules.
He thinks it's because of the anti-money laundering laws. The banks are overcorrecting. Is that really what's the situation?
More than half of the Australian Electoral Commission voter base, registered voters in this country, are reliant on the government for their income.
This central bank digital currency you're talking about is fully programmable. It is geo-fenced, geo-timed. It has a negative interest rate applied and it expires. So if you don't spend your currency, you will lose it.
For me, as a business, I have not been provided a reason for my debanking in each of the scenarios in which I've been debanked. They don't have to provide a reason. There's no law that says they have to. It's within their terms and conditions. And if you call up AFCA and you make a complaint, great, kick rocks.
The government wants more people eating out of its hand because the more people that are reliant on you, the less likely they are to rise up and have a revolution that I keep hearing about, because we are too reliant on the teat of the government, and I'm sick of it. Bitcoin is to the banks what email did to the post office.
Nothing will teach you value about a currency more than its inability to buy you anything, and the Australian dollar / US dollar are largely worthless.
We are so close to hitting escape velocity, and that's why there are so many problems with the banks and the legacy financial system, is they feel the walls closing in.
$5,000 debt that you have is your problem, but if you've got a $50 million debt with the bank, that's the bank problem.
We're past the point of no return. And what I mean by past the point of no return is that we're going into hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is something that people in the West have no real idea about it because it hasn't happened to us for over 100 years. And that's the problem.